Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois. Open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois out to mid-lake until 7 o'clock p.m. At 6:05 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing large hail and gusty winds about 35 nautical miles west of Waukegan, moving east at 50 knots. These thunderstorms will Winthrop Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, and Wilmette Harbor around 6:30 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, large hail, choppy water, dangerous lightning, and heavy downpours. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Mariners can expect large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KX-41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our